Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up, the legend is back. Today, we're diving into the return of an American icon, the 2026 Ford Thunderbird. And trust us, this isn't just a rebrand, it's a complete reinvention. Sleek, futuristic, and high performance. Let's go. Starting at the front, just look at it. The 2026 Thunderbird has a sinister jet black grille that stretches wide and low, flanked by sharp LED headlights that exude aggression. The sweeping hood line forms a muscular contour, giving it an appearance that's part stealth fighter, part American power. And those blue LED DRLs? Cool. From the side, the new Thunderbird has a silhouette that's smooth and sculpted, yet bold. The long hood, low roofline, and short rear deck pay homage to classic coupes, but the clean creases and flush door handles bring it firmly into the future. Large, aerodynamically spoked wheels emphasize performance, luxury and menace in one clean line. Now, turn around and boom, a wide LED light bar cuts across the back, connecting sleek taillights that mirror the design of the headlights. Quad exhausts and an aggressive diffuser give it a track-ready edge, while the gloss black paint reflects every ounce of attitude this car has to offer. There's no mistaking it, this is a Thunderbird built for the future. Under the hood, Ford has packed some serious power. The 2026 Thunderbird comes with a twin-turbocharged 3.5 LV6 hybrid engine that produces more than 500 horsepower. Paired with a 10-speed automatic and rear-biased AWD system, it can go from 0 to 60 in just under 4 seconds. Smooth when you want it, savage when you need it. This bird flies. Step inside, and you'll experience pure luxury and technology. The clean, futuristic cockpit is bathed in LED lighting, two-tone leather with intricate stitching, a large portrait touchscreen running Ford's latest sync system, and a full digital gauge cluster with customizable themes. The center console floats toward you, complete with a rotary gear selector, haptic controls, and wireless charging. It feels like a private jet on wheels. The 2026 Ford Thunderbird is more than just an update. It's a revival done right. It honors its legendary past with stunning design, while embracing future technology and performance. If this is Ford's vision for the future of the American Grand Tourer, sign us up. Would you choose this new Thunderbird over a Mustang or Challenger? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more amazing car reviews every week. See you next time.